From the following, calculate the labor cost variance, labor rate variance, and the labor efficiency variance. Now here they have all specifically told us that we need to find out the cost, rate, and the efficiency labor variance. Now what has been given? What is the information which has been given? We have a type of the workers, skilled, semi-skilled, and the unskilled. We have a standard, that is कितने number of workers थे, हाउ मेनी, हमने ये सोच के रखा था कि हमारे पास इतने स्टैंडर्ड के इतने वर्कर्स होंगे, देन कितने आवर्स का स्टैंडर्ड वी हैव केप्ट इट, एंड वी हैव केप्ट वन स्टैंडर्ड रेट. सेम वे फिर एक्चुअली उसका कंपैरिजन दिया है कि हमने कितने नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स को एंगेज किया, कितने आवर्स दे हैव वर्कड, एंड व्हाट वाज द रेट पर आवर व्हिच वी हैव पेड. ठीक है. So here when they have given us the information for the three type of the workers, we need to calculate this information for all the three type of the workers, skilled workers, semi skilled workers, and the unskilled workers. अब देखो यहाँ पर हमारे पास एक स्टैंडर्ड आर नहीं है. डू वी हैव अ स्टैंडर्ड आर? ठीक है. और हमें ये भी नहीं पता कि टोटल कितने मतलब एक डायरेक्ट फिगर नहीं है. वी नीड टू फर्स्ट कैलकुलेट इट अप. हमें पहले कैलकुलेशन करना पड़ेगा, तब जाके हम वी हैव अ डायरेक्ट रेट पर आवर विच इज बीन गिवन. पर हमें ये तो देखना है कि कितने नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स थे और कितने आवर्स उन्होंने काम किया है. वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट दैट फर्स्ट. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट वी विल बी डूइंग इट, वी विल बी फाइंडिंग आउट कि कितना टोटल स्टैंडर्ड आर टोटल कितना है. सो सी हियर 30 workers were there and they were working for 50, number of hours set was 50. So let's find out first 30 multiply by 50. That is number of workers into number of hours. If I do, how much I will be getting? 3 into 5 is 15 and 2 0. That is 1500 hours. Same way we can find it out for the actual as well. 25 workers for 50 hours. So 25 into 50. 1250. Same way for the semi-skilled, we can find out 20 workers and 30 hours. So 20 into 30. 600. Actually कितना था? 30 workers for 30 hours. So 30 into 30. This will give me 900. Same way for you can find out for the semi-skilled. 10 workers for 20 hours. This will be equal to 200, and actually is 10 workers working for 15 hours, which will be equal to 150. So what we have done, हमने स्टैंडर्ड एक R फाइंड आउट कर लिया और एक्चुअल R फाइंड आउट कर लिया. तो हमें जब वी विल बी फाइंडिंग आउट द लेबर कॉस्ट वेरिएंस, इट वुड बी इजी फॉर अस. हमें डायरेक्टली इजी हो जाएगा. क्यों? देखो लेबर कॉस्ट वेरिएंस का फॉर्मूला क्या है? स्टैंडर्ड आवर्स इनटू द स्टैंडर्ड रेट, स्टैंडर्ड आर इनटू द स्टैंडर्ड रेट. तो हमारे पास स्टैंडर्ड आर तुरंत से मिल जाएगा, यहाँ पर एक्चुअल आर भी तुरंत से मिल जाएगा. जस्ट देन वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय अ स्टैंडर्ड रेट. दैट्स इट. So let's do it. Let's find out for the skilled workers. Standard R कितना है? 1500 into standard rate कितना है यहाँ पर? 4 minus actual R. Actual R is 1250 into actual rate is how much? देखो यहाँ पर 4.50. Calculate. 6000 minus 5625, which will be equals to 375 favorable, because we are getting this answer positive, so it will be favorable. Same way we can find out for the semi-skilled workers. कितना है? 600 into what is the rate? 3 minus 900 into the rate is 3, which will be equal to 1800 minus 2700. Now you will be getting this answer in the negative. That is a adverse condition. So 900 adverse. Same way, find it out for the unskilled workers. $200 into 2 rupees minus 150 into 2.50 equals to 400 minus 375. 25 favorable. Like way you have to find out the data for all the three type of the workers, for the labor cost, for the efficiency, as well as for the labor rate variance. So let's now find out labor efficiency variance. Standard hours minus actual hour. So 1500 minus 1250 into standard rate. What is the standard rate? 4 rupees. कितना मिलेगा? 250 into 4, which is equals to 1000 favorable. Positive आ रहा है, so favorable. Same way, find it out for the unskilled workers. $600 minus 900 into 3 rupees. So negative 300 into 3. This will be equal to 900, but adverse because negative आया. Same way we can go for the unskilled workers. $200 is the standard hour minus 150 is the actual. Multiply by standard rate, that is 2 rupees. So 50 into 2, which is equals to 100 favorable. So we have done with the labor efficiency variance. Now the third one, labor rate variance. What is the formula for finding out labor rate variance? Standard rate minus actual rate into actual labor hours. तो पहले उसके लिए skilled के लिए find out करो. What is the standard rate? 4. Actual rate कितना है? 4.50 multiplied by actual hours 1250, which will be equals to how much? 0.50 into 1250. 625, but adverse. सेमी स्किल्ड के लिए फाइंड आउट करो. 3 minus 3 into 900. Now 0 minus 900 will be how much? It would be the nil only. So यहाँ पर आ जाएगा nil. Whereas for the unskilled workers, 2 minus 2.50 into actual hours, 150, which is equals to 0.50 into 150, which is equal to 75 adverse. So with this, we are done with the sum. This is how you can find out the labor cost, labor efficiency and the labor rate variance for the type of the workers which is given. अभी यहाँ पर तो type of workers है, maybe इन लोग ने कोई और हमें data दिया हो, then also if like this the data is given, we need to first do the comparison. We need to find out the proper standard actual hours and the standard hours and the actual hours, and then we need to substitute that into the formula.